Welcome to this beginner's step-by-step guide on how to create an image using ChatGPT. No pencil is required, just your imagination. Your imagination is the only tool you need. Forget Photoshop or drawing skills. ChatGPT, powered by DALL-E, simplifies the process. Input a prompt, it processes the request, and outputs an image. You can go from a text description to a visual reality in seconds. For example, the prompt, "A cute baby elephant playing in rain Pixar style," creates a detailed image almost instantly. There are two ways to access the image generation tool. The recommended method A is just typing your request. Method B is manually selecting Create Image from the menu. Both methods work on the web and the app. The magic generally takes 5 to 30 seconds. Simple images may take around 5 seconds, while complex scenes can take up to 2 minutes. Once complete, click the image to save or download it. The difference between a sketch and a masterpiece is the level of detail. A simple prompt like dog yields a basic image, but adding details like location, action, and style results in a much better image. The secret formula for perfect prompts includes 3 key elements: the subject, the action, and the style or modifier. Focusing on these elements ensures consistent, high-quality image generation. Here's the formula in action. Start with the subject, like a futuristic city. Add the action, floating in the sky, and include style and modifiers such as cyberpunk style, neon lights, and ultra-detailed 4K for a cinematic result. Use magic words to instantly upgrade your image quality. Adding terms like ultra-detailed, cinematic lighting, or professional photography to the end of any prompt will enhance the look. With one tool, you can generate infinite styles, from cartoon/anime and realistic photos to oil paintings and logo designs. The possibilities are vast. If you don't like the image, just talk to it. Editing is a conversation, not a redo. You can request changes like change background to a beach, make it nighttime, or add sunglasses. For advanced users, tricks include generating text within an image, creating images with transparent backgrounds, and generating variations, such as changing the color of an object. Common beginner mistakes include writing very short prompts, forgetting to mention a style, ignoring lighting details, and not including a camera angle. The fix is always to refer back to the secret formula. The golden rule is to think like you're explaining your idea to a human artist. If you wouldn't tell a painter to just draw a dog, don't tell the AI. Be descriptive, specific, and clear. You are now ready to create images from text. Use the secret formula, edit and refine, and generate logos, photos, and art. The only limit is your vocabulary. Start typing and exploring.